Opponent!
That was so good.
Oh man!
What's the plan?
We need to drift.
Yeah, it's gonna be first time
like
Marek's
this?
gonna try some tandems, which might end up.
I would like to go like this,
Yeah?
but it's most likely gonna be this.
Wow.
Why am I with the roof? Take the roof off.
So Marek, can you show why are you coming like this? Can you try to open the door? Yeah. So it's been like 5 minutes, 2 runs, and Marek already destroyed the exhaust already.
I mean, it was actually the first turn.
Yeah.
I overshot it a bit.
I hope you're proud of yourself.
But it was fun. Luckily, it was the soft wall tires.
Yeah, just hit the tires there. Okay, we are waiting for the guys to come. They should be here in a moment. We don't have many tires, we just have 4 tires, so we're just gonna save it and try to go together with them.
Opponent!
Opponent! Siemka.
Jakoś się udało.
Udało? A ty... Aj, aj, aj.
That was so good.
Oh man!
That was so good.
Well, there is a situation.
I can't get out, man!
Well,
Man, did you film that?
yeah. Your first question is, man, did you film that?
Hey! Let me out!
Open the door. Marek's first question after crash was, did you film that? So I think it's lucky enough because it looks like it's just a door. It's actually the luckiest hit it can be, because if you hit the wheel or the rear arch, it's gonna be bad. But this one is literally the luckiest one it can be.
Thank you, kind sir.
Car loaded back on lavetka, and we are going home. It was pretty pretty interesting, but we had some driving, so yeah, it was still fun to come. Gonna fix the door and come back again. Okay, so we are back. The Miata is safely home. So as you can see, a little scratch, but nothing really major. And now we're gonna actually make a video with Kevin, because there's my guy STANNY here that came all the way from Warsaw, and then we're gonna film a video with Kevin. So I think we're gonna show you the behind the scenes of that. Okay, we made it to the spot, which is the same spot that we shot Fiero a couple months ago. Yeah, and we're about to start shooting. So what we're using today to film the video?
Lumix S5 Sigma 24 to 70mm f2.8 and DJI Ronin M.
Yeah, so the footage should look sick. Yeah, so Marek, maybe you can sit already. Take your kiełbaska. So we have a little kind of like a bazaar here, and Victor here, obviously seller, he's gonna be selling the clothes, and this should make a nice intro for the video. So the lady came out and we were thinking she's gonna kick us out because we are in front of a house, but she actually she's trying to sell us some clothes because she was thinking we are selling the clothes here.
Przy okazji handlujecie takimi rzeczami, czy jak? Na czym to polega?
Tak, ale no, przez internet.
Aha,
Na stronie internetowej, nie?
To jestem za ciemna,
Znaczy-
żeby przez internet.
There's my guy Bozo coming. Okay, so I was trying to film the behind the scenes with my camera, and what happened is my cable, basically the same what happened in Warsaw last time. I just broke the cable. I don't know if you can see it, and the camera is useless, doesn't work, needs to be fixed. Luckily STANNY borrowed me his DJI Osmo Pocket. We're getting B-roll footage for now, and then we're gonna kind of pack. I mean, Victor is gonna pack, and then we are gonna go for a rolling shot.
To ja podejdę i jak już będę w tym miejscu gdzieś, to otworzysz może Samuel
Dobra.
drzwi, żebym ja ich nie widział.
W którym miejscu?
Jak będę gdzieś tutaj, nie?
Dobra.
Żebym jak będę podchodził już tyłem,
Dobra, to otworzę. Dobra, dobra. That's gonna be a very nice one shot.
Boże, go like 2 seconds after I close the door.
No, after you need to start the car first.
Yeah, I will start the car, close the door, and
Okay,
straight away.
I'm gonna tell Bozo.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
No, jedziesz. Jedź.
Okay, stop.
Zatrzymaj się, ale uważaj.
Go.
Dobra, jedziemy. Nie, no lecie sobie jeść tak.
Yo, this is so good.
Okay, so we are back, finished shooting for today. It was very nice, but obviously the camera died, so I had to use Osmo, and then Osmo died as well. So I guess we're finishing with iPhone, and yeah, it was a pretty sick day. And hopefully more days like this coming.